My name is Arnab Sabarwal and I'm a member of the Individual Research Scholar Program at Lumiere Summer 2021 cohort. My research question today is to what extent can squeeze light be utilized to reduce the noise flow associated with photoconductive photodiodes in laser interferometric gravitational wave detectors. And I'd like to thank my mentor, Dr. Luca Santarelli, for his persistent support throughout this research paper. So, what are gravitational waves? Well, they are ripples in space-time produced through cataclysmic cosmic phenomena, such as the mergers of black holes or neutron stars. And why do we study them? Well, because measurements of gravitational waves are a primary source of cosmic data in universal realms that are beyond human observation. They are measured through highly precise laser interferometric gravitational wave detectors through homodyne detection, a diagram of which has been provided. I've provided here a basic Michelson interferometer with a 4 km Fabry-Perot cavity and power recycling mirror. Now, the catch with detecting gravitational waves is that they severely reduce in intensity as they move away from their source. In fact, a strain sensitivity of 10 to the power minus 21 is actually required for their detection. Now, in this situation, quantum noise or sources of noise such as radiation pressure noise and photon shot noise only make matters worse. They increase the signal to noise ratio, which makes it hard to distinguish or resolve the gravitational wave signals from noise signals, which essentially means that gravitational waves may be underdetected. A gravitational wave may pass the Earth and we may not even come to know, and this is a huge scientific drawback. The solution is squeezed light, an idea which I shall explore through this literature review. I've presented here a qualitative research which has helped in representing, synthesizing, analyzing, and evaluating already conducted research on the topic in a clear and lucid manner. For this research paper, I've provided relevant background information about the workings of photoconductive photodiodes, laser interferometric GW detection, quantum noise, following which I've also provided the idea of squeeze light and the role of phase squeeze states in signal to noise ratio reduction. Okay, now coming to the meat of the research paper, squeeze light. How is it different from ordinary light? Well, the catch with squeeze light is that it has a significantly lesser inherent quantum uncertainty associated with either of its two quadratures, either the amplitude quadrature of light or the phase quadrature of light. Now, phase squeeze light is essentially a form of squeeze light which has reduced quantum uncertainty in the phase quadrature and a higher quantum uncertainty in the amplitude quadrature. Why even study phase squeeze states? Well, because they are the only way to reduce photon shot noise in laser interferometric gravitational wave detectors. How do they do this? Well, they reduce the quantum uncertainty associated with the phase quadrature, which essentially reduces photon shot noise and increases the signal to noise ratio in gravitational wave detectors. This only increases the resolvability of the gravitational wave signal, as I've shown here in the diagram. In the first diagram, we see the application of coherent states, or the normal states as we like to call them. We can see that the signal is hardly differentiable from the short noise or noise signals, which makes them hard to measure. However, when we apply squeeze states, essentially or specifically the phase squeeze states, we see that the resolvability of the GW signal significantly increases, and this only helps in the detection of GW state gravitational waves. The results have been in front of our eyes. Recently, GEO 600 achieved a 6 decibel noise flow reduction. Now, the implications of this potential discovery are really huge because, as I've stated before, gravitational waves are our primary source of cosmic data in universal realms beyond human observation. Therefore, an improvement in the detection of gravitational waves will only further our understanding of the cosmos, and squeeze light will play a huge role in forthcoming discoveries. Thank you.